Oh, son of a gun. You thought I was going to say son of a bitch, didn't you?
Well, it's Thursday, so you know what that means. Another tool time Thursday. This week, we're gonna use the Flywheel holder tool. And I'm not talking about a fly sitting on a wheel. This is the actual tool right here. This is a factory Hellcat clutch and flywheel assembly come as one. So what I use this tool, if you look at it right here, it has this point right here, and you hold it. It's this one's a Matco. As you can see, the part number right there. They make multiple ones, but you know, I'm a Matco snap-on type of guy. So what this does is, when I'm breaking the clutch off, so the clutch is already off, not off, but the clutch is on this one. So on the Hellcat, you take these bolts out, and then you lift the clutch assembly. If I can get it off in here, so I take this. And this, of course, this will still be on the car. And what I do, I use this and I hold it on, locks down, and I hold it in place while I break the flywheel. Of course, I'm sure you could jam a screwdriver or something in there like that, but this is just way easier, and I could do it by myself with breaking all the stuff loose. Also, other than on manual transmission, we use this tool right here, the same tool, and see, I would put it right there and we hold it. So he's holding it right there for me. So he's holding the flywheel because I already have it out of the car, can't have it in, it's not in gear to hold it. So he got it right there, he's holding it, and I didn't have my my impact. So I got my big breaker bar, and what I do, as he pushed down on it, I don't got my tripod, so as he pushed down on it, I'm able to pull up on this and break this crank pulley bolt loose. So yeah, so that's the same tool, coming pretty handy on automatics. This is the first time using it on automatic since the engine's out, but I've never really used it on an automatic. I've only used it on a manual. So there it is, more than one tool come in handy, again, having the right tool. I'm sure you could have wedged a screwdriver or something like that in there, but having the right tool makes a difference, right? I have a flywheel from my Honda days. This is from a K-Twin, and same difference. So I've always been working on, I've only mostly have cars that's manual, other than the trucks and stuff like that, but yeah, this is where it comes in handy. Flywheel tool. If you think the car have a third brake pedal, you don't need this. You don't know what this is. That's the clutch. But yeah, quick tool time Thursday. And remember, if this is your first time, or not even your first time checking out Tool Time Thursday, go ahead and definitely hit that subscribe button down below. Bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Thumbs up, like, I guess that's the same as thumbs up. Share and comment. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching the videos as usual. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like a